Hello, my name is Vishwa Shah. I'm a pre-final year student at Atria University. I'm currently pursuing a B.Tech in energy science. Currently, I'm a management consulting intern at PwC India in the advisory line of services, followed by climate and energy as a sub-business unit. As a part of this role, I have to analyze market dynamics, competitor strategies, and regulatory frameworks to craft and strategic recommendation for my clients. I'm thrilled to have a role wherein each challenge brings in new opportunities for problem solving. In this dynamic workspace, I have an opportunity to adapt and understand newer technologies and concepts which I'm not quite familiar with. This is my fourth internship, and in my previous role at C-Step, which is a think tank in Bangalore, I was a research analyst intern in the power sector. I'm thankful for the management faculties at Atria University for making a flexible curriculum which is especially customized for an individual. This allows me to take up such opportunities which I couldn't have otherwise. I think my major has allowed me to understand multiple things that I'm learning in my several internships. For example, it is more about the skills that you learn rather than the concepts. Because if you have the skills, for example, if you are able to research, analyze multiple things that are given to you, I think you can thrive in any environment. I think that what we are taught in class is exactly the same of what resembles in an industrial world. For example, we had an energy management course wherein you understand what do the energy managers, the auditors learn. So it was an complete legal and management course. So in that we did not have any hand holding at all. So in that experience, we only had like 1 hour lectures every day, and you were just given resources and what you have to learn. So and at the end of the day, you are told what should be the outcome. So it's not like basically giving you tasks every day. There are multiple outcomes that you should achieve. So these are in terms of your skill sets and not your learnings or activities or any assignments that are very typical in most colleges, most engineering colleges for that matter. So I think what we are taught and how we are taught in our university is the same in what we have to do in an internship. For example, in this internship, there's nobody to tell you, there's nobody to guide you every day. There aren't any 6-hour lecture that what you have to do. So I think we make an environment, a workspace, which is quite similar to the industry. Recently, I also completed an internship at IIT Chennai. There was a subcategory at IIT Chennai known as the Energy Consortium. So I was part of the Net Zero Energy Building, wherein I learned how to research and analyze multiple softwares, standards, and skill sets that are used to benchmark a particular net zero energy building. For example, how do you compare two buildings which is more greener? So there are multiple standards and softwares to do so. So this is what I learned for an 3-week internship, and I think I have covered a lot. And what made me unable to understand all of these and made me to do a very rigorous work in just 3 weeks was the skill sets that we are taught in the college. So we are able to actually understand and adapt to any new skill sets that we are given to within like a 3-week period of time, which is usually our sprint duration. So the similar work I also applied at internship at IIT Chennai. Thank you.